gorgeous long weekend. Make sure you get out there and enjoy it. I will be back again in 10 minutes with your local weather update. Now we're going to head over to Courtney. Or not.
Good morning, it's Drew Coes, and we are out on the waters of Lake Winnipeg learning how to boat safely. Cameron from Boat Smart, can you tell us what Boat Smart is exactly?
We're a national safe boating organization, so we educate boaters and we certify them for their pleasure craft operator card, and we love to go boating.
So everything we need to know about being safe on a boat, you can tell us. So let's talk about the things that you absolutely must have on the boat to ensure you're safe on the water.
Okay, so there you see some safety equipment here. Now, for different sizes and styles of boats, you need different safety equipment. We're in this Sea-Doo jet boat from Enns Brothers, 21-foot boat. It's a great boat. For this style of boat, you'll need a fire extinguisher because it does have an inboard gas tank. Make sure that it's charged up and ready to go for the season.
And that's the thing that people might forget. They might be like, okay, got my fire extinguisher checked off the list and forget about it. But you need to check that sort of every season, correct?
Yeah, check it before you head out at the start of each season. And even throughout the season, make sure it's working properly. Another big one is your watertight flashlight. A lot of people have batteries that are dead. Make sure your batteries are charged up. You want to be able to use that in case you need it to signal distress. So make sure it's ready to go. A couple of other key pieces of equipment, your paddle. So if you do experience a breakdown or you run out of fuel, you can paddle in. Make sure you take enough fuel with you, of course. Some of the most important pieces here are your approved PFDs or life jackets. Make sure you're actually wearing them rather than having them stowed.
Which we are doing so. Good safe boating practices.
And you want to make sure that you have a buoyant heaving line. So that's included in this kit. That's a line that you throw out to somebody that needs help.
Oh,
and
gotcha.
This actually acts as a bailer kit as well. So if you do take on water, you can bail that off your boat. And one of the other things you want to take out on board with you is a marine chart. So if you're going out on a new lake that you haven't been on before, take that marine chart out with you. It's kind of like your roadmap of the waterway.
Gotcha. And I guess it's also important for passengers to sort of be aware of what these things are, how to use them, and where they're stored on the boat, correct?
That's right. You want to make sure your passengers understand how to use this equipment, stow it all in one place so they can get at it in case of emergency. You want to make sure they know what they're doing with it. By going through the program to get their Boat Smart operator card, they can learn about how to use that safety equipment.
Perfect. And actually, coming up on Breakfast Television, we'll learn a little bit more about how you can get certified by Boat Smart so you can be safe on the water.